nice and loud.
But why?
Yeah.
You have to find a number that plus 9 gives you 11.
Can you say it in Spanish?
Tienes que encontrar un número que sumado por 9 de 11.
So what number plus 9 equals 11? Does 2 plus 9 equal 11?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, x is 2. X equals 2. Nice and loud. Nice and loud.
5 times plus 100 equals, I know.
Tell me.
5 times, no, like 5, yes, 5 times x equals 100.
5 times x equals 100, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So 5 times something, okay, equals 100. Make sense? 5 times what equals 100?
5 times something is 100.
5 times something is 100, right? So the easiest way is to think, okay, to figure out 5 times that is 100, the easiest way is to divide by 5, 100.
But why divide?
Well, because, and I'll show you, the 100 divided by 5 is 20. Got it? Make sense? And we know that 5 times 20, I'll write it here. 5 times 20, we know that equals 100. So it works. Does that make sense? Example of inverse operations. Can you say that out loud?
Inverse
operation.
Good. What is the inverse of 2 plus x? Actually, let me write it like this. X plus 2. What's the inverse of x plus 2?
2.
What's the inverse? Okay. The inverse of x plus 2 is x minus 2. 5 times x, the inverse is x divided by 5. Okay? So, we are going to do the inverse. So we have, let's say 2x equals 20. Let me go over here.
2. Yes.
No?
2 times equal 20.
Okay, and you know what we say the x is? The x, we don't know what it is, okay? That's why it's an x. It could be a p. It could be a p. It could be a k. It could be any letter we want, yeah? The point is, we don't know what it is. Alright? But what we do know is that 2 p's, or 2 x's make 20, 2 p's make 20, 2 k's make 20, correct? Yeah? If I drew k, and it was an envelope, you know what an envelope is, yeah? There's 2 equal envelopes. Make sense? They're equal. In each envelope, together, both envelopes make 20. Let's make it $. Yeah? You following?
Mm-hmm.
If both equal envelopes make $20, how much is in this envelope?
Why 2 multiplied by 10 it's 20 and 2x means that are 2x?
Because, good question, 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20, yeah? If I say 2x, I'll make a different color for x, equals 20, yeah? Then to find out what 2 is, you just divide by 2, and you divide 20 by 2, yeah? Now that leaves us with x equals, what's 20 divided by 2?
10.
10. It's the same answer, isn't it? Yeah? So 3x equals 15. We take the 3, we divide, and you get x equals
Like divide 3.
5.
3 divide
But
3.
that it's small, you can do it also.
15 divided by 3. Yeah? We took those 3 x's, and the 15 ones, and we divided the 15 ones by 3.
Like 3 divided by 15.
It's 15 divided by 3. Okay? Here we have, can you read this out loud? What is that?
5
Right.
multiply
Yeah,
by 2
good. 5 oh, I'm going to change the color. 5 multiplied by 2
t
t.
plus 15 equals 35.
No, plus. Remember, we want. Yeah.
Plus 5 and then the 15 in brackets.
Exactly.
Yes, and equals 35. Now I remember.
Now, what is this?
Okay, so now we have to multiply 5 multiply 2t.
Correct.
Or I
So-
have a trick
No,
to do
5.
it.
Oh. This? Yeah? Now, Eva, what's 5 times 15?
Mm, 75.
Correct? Now, we have, can you read this out loud?
10 t minus
Plus.
no plus 75 equals 35.
So, to get the 10t, we have to isolate the t. We have to get the t by itself. Okay? To do that, we will take the 75 and we will subtract it from here. Okay? We will subtract it from here and we will have to do it over here. Because with an equation, you have to always, whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side all the time, yeah? So if you subtract 75 here, you subtract 75 over here. That makes sense? Yeah? Now, what's 75 minus 75? What's 75 minus 75?
0.
0. Cancels this out. So that leaves us with 10
So
t, and then equals 35 minus 75. Now you have 10t equals 40. Yeah? And now what do you do with the 10?
Mine.
What's the inverse of multiplying?
divided.
Dividing. So you divide. What's 40 divided by 10?
4.
4. So t equals 4. Got it?
So